Hey guys, I'm showing you this red light therapy for feet. 165 LEDs near infrared light therapy, and it's a shoe with a 660 and 850 nanometer infrared light therapy. So comes in a really nice, very nice gift box that you can give gift to someone you want. And this is the adapter. It's a 240-watt adapter, so you can use it in any other country. This is one adapter to use. So the good thing is it can be used by the USB, or it can be used through the power adapter. So this is the manual, so describe everything what comes and how to use. So the operation is pretty straightforward, and this also mentioned that you can try on your skin for 2 minutes first, just to check the sensitivity of the lights. So this is the USB-C here, you can just plug it in and this will just go. So I'm just starting to show. So I will put in the power adapter, and just on and off button. So you can choose all the different things here, the 850 and the levels of the temperature. So this is the red lights, you can see like all the bright LEDs inside. So these are the velcro that to fit to your leg and the feet. So I'm just putting in my hand for some time just to see, as I mentioned, the sensitivity. I don't feel anything. So after 2 minutes I just taking it out and see like if there's any redness and stuff on my hand. So this also comes with this red USB one. So you can use this with the USB and just put it in the USB port. So if the power thing is not available, or you want to do it with the battery pack or the laptop, you can do that and see it start working. So it start working as it's a power adapter stuff. So it can be used by both USB and the power adapter. So I'm just putting it on my feet and then starting it. So basically it's it is used to provide the warmth and little massage, not massage, but little warm thing to your tissues and the cells. And this is the red light therapy that will help in if there is any pain. So this is how this is meant for. You can also use it in a different position, like on your arm, or anything that fits with this. So I'm just showing you the red light inside that you can see, and you can see this 660 nanometer or any other thing.